Come with me. Let's visit TikTok office. That's coming up. Hello guys, where we are at TikTok Dubai headquarters. Let's meet them.
Okay, so this is the TikTok fam for this math genius. Hello. Why did they not tell us in school? Why? Hello, Mr. Abdul Basit. Welcome to
Hi. This is
TikTok.
TikTok office. We are
TikTok office. Thank you very much, Miss
visiting.
Donia, for this.
You're more than welcome.
Yeah.
Happy to have you here.
Okay, this is TikTok fam.
Yeah.
And here is my name.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's see. This is actually studio of TikTok. And they have, by the way, big office, but this is all. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and click the bell icon.
This is the fastest texter according to the Guinness World Record. Right?
Right now, yeah, right. But right now I'm not in that much practice.
But
But I will show you. You will have the glimpse.
Okay, let's take a
Of
glimpse.
what-
This is super cool.
So I'm messaging you actually here.
Okay.
So you want to see how I? Sorry.
Yeah.
Here. Now you make.
Okay.
I am sitting with you in your office. That's called swipe technology.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, start!
Miss, tell me what is 77 plus 33? Okay, tell me. Tell me the answer.
I don't know.
Okay, think.
Can you repeat that?
77 plus 33.
100.
No, not on the. Well, if you speak, I will turn camera to you.
It's 106. I don't know.
206? No. Nothing will happen. Okay, tell me, what is 77 plus 33? Quickly. Yeah, you got it right. What is 77 plus 33?
Wait, give me 1 second. 10 and then 8. 110.
Oh, yeah, right away you got the answer. Okay, bravo. That's right. TikTok invited me to their office to have a tour there. We signed their TikTok fan wall, and then they gave me these gifts: a bucket hat, iced coffee mug. There is TikTok logo. This is pen with this for the mobile to make TikTok videos. There is TikTok logo here also. Tote bag, TikTok logo.